we'll get it up in the air, we'll get underneath, and we'll look at the job that we're going to do today.
All right, y'all. So here we are underneath the car. I want to review the entire exhaust line with you. And there's a couple of different ways that you can do this. Now, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to drop the entire exhaust line to make sure that my measurement and cuts are right. Now, when you're watching this video, you'll have the measurements exactly that you need. And so I'm going to talk about something that I'm not actually going to do. I'm going to drop the entire exhaust line so we can measure and cut appropriately in the right places. With those measurements, will be able to cut in place and save yourself a little bit of time. All right, but when we look at this, so what I'm talking about is we run up the car here. So back box, we've got our back hangers here. Our cuts are going to be up here, right? So about here and about here. I'll have the exact measurements once we bring this all out. Here's the crossbody brace that we're going to take off that we'll talk about in a second. And then when you walk up the rest of the exhaust line here, you'll see all the way up here to the top, you've got your top hanger, and then of course where it meets your two downpipes. So what we're going to start with initially is you need to take off the crossbody brace. So these are Allens. These are usually 5mm Allens, and if they're any different, I'll tell you so. So take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, take that off, go ahead and slide this crossbody brace out from underneath these arms, and then we're going to talk about taking the entire exhaust line down. So in this case, so we can measure appropriately. When you follow this video, you'll have the measurements and you'll be able to cut here in place instead of taking it down. Or if you want, you can take the entire exhaust line down, what I'm going to do. So I'll take the crossbody brace off and I'll show you what that looks like.